that human beings having abundant potential. Their brain and neurosystems are highly complex. Because of that, we cannot easily judge the capacity of a human being. We must not be judgmental about anybody because they are created by God. They have infinite potential. Now let's see what a mentor is doing. The mentor will observe the learner. It may be hours, days, weeks, months, or even years. So, mentor will observe the learner through the various assessments in various contexts. During that time, a mentor can understand different capabilities of the intelligence and different traits of an individual and a different aptitude levels of a person, his financial and cultural orientation, his life situations, gender disparities, or other capabilities. About all these areas, the mentor will gather 360-degree knowledge about a particular learner. The mentor may not teach much things. Instead, they will guide the learner because most of the things they already learned from the teacher and they already got models from the trainer and they already got hand-holding from the coach. But still, why they require a mentor? A mentor is a person by understanding the 360-degree situations of the learner. Sometimes someone should be there who have the right mastery and the deeper knowledge about a person to say no, don't go for that one, don't do that, or don't do this one, because it may make you defocus from your end goal. So a mentor will be a genius person and they will have high-level knowledge and understanding of a particular learner and they have the right to tell no. So if someone has these masteries on a particular person, those people can be the mentors of that particular learner.